This method can help answer key questions in the area of physical rehabilitation about whole body vibration and its safety and feasibility as a form of weight-bearing exercise for polio survivors. The main advantages of this technique are that it requires little time and it does not seem to worsen typical symptoms of post-polio syndrome, such as increased muscle weakness, pain, or fatigue. Demonstrating the procedure today is Randy Robertson, who is one of our research participants from our study.
For whole body vibration intervention, first have the participant remove their shoes and any lower extremity orthosis. Then, instruct the participant to stand on the whole body vibration platform with their knees slightly bent, and their weight as evenly distributed between their two lower extremities as possible, using the bars for light support as necessary.
Make sure to explain that the treatment will require weight bearing through their legs and that they will feel the vibration not only in their feet but throughout the rest of their body.
If the participant is not able to stand at all or to stand long enough, allow the participant to sit in a wheelchair with the seat raised as high as possible, or in a plain chair propped up with pillows. Have the participant place their feet on the platform and to place their forearms on their thighs, leaning forward to achieve as much weight bearing through the lower body as possible while keeping the feet on the platform.
Polio survivors may find the optimal weight-bearing position challenging due to their weakness or contractures, especially when not using their lower limb orthoses. They may be reluctant to weight shift onto the weaker limb, or they may hold on to the handle excessively.
Encourage the participant to move into their